Well, I guess on their phones, or, or watching a movie, or doing work, or whatever you want to do.
If someone were to say that a cell phone is about to be built with the same metal alloy used in SpaceX rockets, the first reaction would be science fiction. But that's exactly the path the Tesla Pi phone has chosen to follow. No recycled frames or standard casings. We're talking about a body made of an aluminum titanium alloy designed to withstand the heat and pressure of space launches. This not only ensures far above average structural strength, but also adds a bold, futuristic visual touch, making any other model look like a generic phone. And it doesn't stop there. The device's back panel is covered in smart solar glass that absorbs ambient light to recharge the battery, acting as a sort of natural backup when there's no power outlet nearby. Imagine being on a remote road with no charger nearby and still seeing your phone breathing only in the daylight. This eliminates one of the biggest anxieties of those living with 1% battery and no cable in sight. The iPhone 17 Pro Max, at this point, remains dependent on the good old charger. No sunlight to help. In the hand, the Pi phone is surprisingly light. At 195 grams, it feels more balanced than the iPhone, which weighs 233 grams. The difference may seem small on paper, but in your pocket, in daily use, and even in ergonomics, those 38 grams translate into greater comfort. It's like trading a brick for something softer, more anatomical. This weight reduction, combined with the robustness of the material, creates an interesting paradox. A phone as light as a feather, yet as strong as steel. Another curious detail is that the Tesla Pi's finish doesn't follow the traditional mirrored or matte shine of its competitors. It opts for a slightly grainy texture, reminiscent of the coatings on space capsules. This choice is not only aesthetic, but also functional. It prevents fingerprints, improves grip, and reinforces the product's identity as something that doesn't want to look like a regular smartphone. It wants to look like something from another planet. Speaking of identity, the device's shape itself deviates from the standard smooth rectangle. The edges are angled, as if inspired by a rocket fuselage. Small details on the sides, almost imperceptible at first glance, reflect Tesla's obsession with aerodynamics, although in this case symbolic. The result is a look that seems to have come straight from a SpaceX innovation lab, not a conventional assembly line. Another innovation is the way the Tesla Pi dissipates heat. Instead of relying on a limited passive system like most current smartphones, it incorporates a thermal microlayer inspired by re-entry shields. This means that even under intense use, such as heavy gaming or real-time synchronization with the car, the temperature remains stable without compromising performance. This type of technology is rarely seen in mobile devices and signals a new era in smartphone engineering. The most interesting thing is that this robust design doesn't compromise sophistication. The Tesla Pi manages to be both aggressive and elegant, with clean lines that appeal to both tech enthusiasts and the most demanding user. It's a blend of space brutalism and functional minimalism. Tesla seems to want to communicate, through its design, that this isn't just a phone, but an extension of the futuristic ecosystem the company is creating with cars, rockets, and now personal devices. If the Tesla Pi's appearance is eye-catching, its display is what really makes eyes shine. The Pi opens the door to more open integrations, customizations, and unexpected uses. It's designed for those who want freedom. Freedom of connection, freedom of payment, freedom of integration with their devices, and even freedom of geographic location. The proposal is clear: to put power and control in the hands of the user. Another point that draws attention is the absence of physical SIM card. The network connection is entirely software-based, automatically activated as soon as the device is turned on. This reduces failures, simplifies the design, and makes the device more secure against hacking or cloning, even in environments with multiple simultaneous connections. Combining this with Starlink creates a seamless experience. You can start a call at home, continue it in the car,